So, Department of Justice naman po, could I ask Yusek T of the IACAT, pwede po ba kayong magbigay sa amin ng update sa mga kaso na naka-file na kay Mayor Alice Leal Guo?
Last Friday, Madam
And company,
Chair,
sir. Yes.
PAOK NCIDG filed a case for qualified human trafficking against 14 respondents. Kasama po dun si Mayor Alice Guo at si Sir Dennis Cunanan. Aside from that, kahapon po may final na case for additional respondents naman. Tong mga cases na to, they will be consolidated with the pending case before RTC Capas in Tarlac. That was the result of the successful implementation of the search warrant, wherein several individuals were arrested, subject to inquest proceedings, and then charged in court. Presently, yung kaso po na pending sa RTC Tarlac, pending po yung aming request na ipalipat ang kaso nito from Tarlac to Manila. Tapos balik po tayo dun sa kaso na pending na na-file na po sa Department of Justice. We expect this case to undergo preliminary investigation, go through the process for preliminary investigation wherein all the respondents, including Mayor Alice Guo, will be given the opportunity to present their side. And there will only be a filing of the case in court should the investigating prosecutors deem there to be probable cause to charge them for the crime charged.
Salamat po. And considering the emerging evidence, kahit dito sa hearing, dun sa nationality ni Alice Guo, what penalties might she face? Option din po ba yung deportation?
Kung ma-charge po si Mayor Alice Guo at yung mga ibang foreign nationals na respondents, sa harap po sila sa kaso at kung ma-deem guilty sila ng korte, ang maximum penalty po ay life imprisonment. Pending ang kaso sa korte, hindi po sila pwede ma-deport. Ngunit kung assuming mag-convict sila at ma-serve yung sentence, doon na po sila maaring ma-deport kung foreign national po sila.
Pero kahit ma-deport, they would still serve their sentence dun sa bansang pagde-deportan sa kanila?
Yes, ma'am. It is clear that if convicted, service of sentence in the Philippines is a prerequisite before their deportation to their countries.
Alright, malinaw po yun. Maraming salamat, Yusek T.
Po namin yan, lalo pat kung may paglabag sa ating Omnibus Election Code. Bilang guardian ng Omnibus Election Code, dapat ang COMELEC nagmomoto proprio, lalo pat malinaw ang ebidensya at kung may makikita talaga ng mga paglabag, katulad ng ginagawang investigation ng ngayon ng Senado, ng OSG at ng National Bureau of Investigation.
It's a major development because this means to say yung citizenship niya would be under serious question. And it would be easier, far easier for the OSG, our lawyers in cases of co-warranted proceedings, to initiate. Kung may pending case ka, whether it's just on the criminal case, on the preliminary investigation stage or during trial, or worse, na karoon na ng desisyon sa'yo, you have to wait it out. Yung deportation kasi, normally, it wouldn't come until matapos yung pending cases.